2022 has been interesting. There's been quite a few sneakers that have come out. Quite a few Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s have been coming out by the boatload. But if you're not a part of that hype beast train, then what has 2022 done from a sneaker point of view for you? And I'm not sure it has done a lot. To be honest, I think 2021, 2020 was the period of sneakers that got me excited, that was really, they were churning out bangers left, right and centre. You lost your mind. But 2022, I don't know if it's me, but I think it was quite disappointing. Anyway, you let me know what you think. Today, we're going to be looking at the Nike Max BW White Persian Violets. You may think, what the hell am I reviewing this? Almost, what's that, 8 months late? These sneakers released all the way in the early part of this year, and I'm just reviewing it now. To be honest, this is not going to be a typical review. It's probably going to be more of a rant. I'm only talking about these because it's just a reminder that Nike can produce other trainers which I believe are really, really good. Silhouette is really good. Materials can be really good. And you can have different variation of these materials which is just as good as the Jordan 1s. I'm just saying that because I call myself a sneakerhead, but I'm not on the Jordan 1 bandwagon. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with Jordan 1, but I'm not on that Jordan 1 bandwagon. But this is something that brought me back. In the 90s, these particular sneakers was adopted by all. If you had them, you was too cool for school. You know what I mean? These sneakers were adopted by the Raven scene. All the man them, all the girl them, everyone was on this. And I don't think they done enough. When Nike brought out the BW's 2021s in 2021, I thought, this is it. It is back. They are now going to start churning out lots of colorways, which they did to an extent. And brought out some of the OGs which I was really happy with, even though I got the biggest L for most of them, apart from a few. So going into 2022, I was excited. I thought to myself, yes, we're going to have more colorways and we're going to bring out some of the premium packs, which I thought, yeah, this is going to be unbelievable. We're going to have premium packs. Nike focused on the Jordan 2s, which that's not for me. Jordan 1s, I get it, and I see why people like him. Nothing wrong with it, and they brought out some good colorways, but again, not for me. The White Persian Violet BWs, I thought this is a trainer that I wasn't sure about at the beginning, and it's only because of the white. I am an avid fan of the OG, which is the black on the mesh. So it came out white. So when I saw these, I thought, oh, okay. I might be a bit iffy, even though this is an OG colorway. Anyway, I bought it, and the quality is just as good as the OG. They basically followed the exact spec from Tinker Hatfield's design, the paper that he put together of this trainer initially. They followed it through. The materials up top is really good and I really like it. The synthetic leather, really good. The belt, really good. The midsole, the quality just looks good. The finish on this sneaker is really good. You got the air unit that is on the front toe box and you got the air unit in the heel. So all of that is good quality. The fit is spot on. Comfort is spot on. As I said, it's not new technology. It's using the old technology with probably slight tweaks. This was £130 when it was released earlier on this year. If you look at the resale sites, you can see that the price is not too far from retail, which is good. So therefore, you're able to cop this and not feel bad. I'm liking the current resale market. And the only reason why is you're able now to get sneakers at reasonable prices. There's certain sneakers that, yeah, it's through the roof. But there's sneakers where you can get now and you're thinking, I missed out. But actually, no one's making too much of a profit, which is a good thing. Bad for them, but good for us. So this concludes the video. I want to thank all my supporters, all my followers, all my subscribers. Really appreciate you. This year, we've achieved 650 subscribers. And the amount of views is over 250,000, if not heading towards 300,000 views. That's a lot of views. So I thank you very much. And like that, I'm going to leave it there. Happy New Year. And until the next video, which will be next year, thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.